So what's up? It's Wednesday. Cooks, I got a new oven. Here we're doing a little test. I'll show you that test up next, what we're doing with this oven. But the only thing left to do is they had to take, the person who installed it is a cabinet maker, and he has to modify one of these down here at the bottom. So he will be back this week to install that. This is the KitchenAid double convection oven. Stay tuned, we're going to be calibrating this oven to make sure it's at the right temperature. Happy Wednesday. So here is the oven, and what I've done is I've put in my thermometers, oven thermometers inside the top oven. Because what we need to do is we need to figure out how far off this is from our temperature. So I have my old one back here. See how grungy looking it is. And I have two brand new ones. So we have 3 thermometers to judge. We need to do this for both ovens. So the very first thing we'll do is I'm just going to put the upper oven on to bake. It defaults to 350 and I'm going to hit start. So this is going to preheat up until 350. Our thermometers are in there. So when it comes to heat, we will see how far this is off from the actual temperature. Okay, we're up to 350 now. So let's see what the thermometers say. We have 325, just over 325. And then the back, it says 350. Interesting. So since the front 2 are the new ones, I think I'm going to go ahead and calibrate at 25 degrees and see what happens. So we're going to hit this clock tools and we're going to change this till we get to calibrate. We're going to hit 6 and we're going to hit 1 for upper oven and 6 to decrease. Press start. So we're going to go 3 to increase, 10, 20, 30. So I think we're going 20, right? And press start to set. Now let's go up here to bake. It defaults to 350 and we're going to start. So we'll see where we're at. So we're looking from the outside. Hi. And one thing you'll see is the new thermometers, this one is slightly above 350. This one is cranked right at 350. That back one is 375. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move, I don't know, because there's a fan right there. I'm going to move that one forward to see if it changes the result on that one. Okay, so I moved my old one up front and I moved one of the new ones back. Back is still high. This is high. This is slightly high. I think I'm going to have to go back to 0 calibration, because if I go to 10, it's going to be, it's still up 20, so it seemed a little low. Let's go down to 10. So we're going to go ahead and hit tool, tool, tool. We're going to hit tool, calibrate, 6, calibrate, 1, upper oven. We're going to 3 to decrease. Wait. And we will hit start to set. So now we are calibrated up 10. So my next test is going to be convection. This has a feature where it converts the recipe. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Yes. And we're going to do 350. time, I'm just going to put 60 minutes. Start. We're going to see what the temp is. Okay, so it's definitely more accurate when you're doing the convection because I have the convection adjusted. Hi, you can see me. So we're rock steady at 325, which I think, because the convection fan is blowing, it's equivalent to 350. This one over here is just between 325 and 350. So it's a little left to right, a little warmer on the right, but the convection is definitely way more steady than the regular bag. So that's just a lesson to learn for me to run this on convection. So I'm 10 degrees calibrated up and convection looks really good.